This article comes from Tip Ranks. Cathie Wood doubles down on these two stocks under $5. She says, given the Fed's policy on aggressive rate hikes, her opinion is that we're going to have a hard landing. But she's still buying, regardless of the macro picture. First company that she's buying is Genius Sports Limited. It's a company that operates at the intersection of sports, betting, and media. Excuse me. Genius has built relationships with more than 400 sports leagues and federations and 300 plus sport book brands, while it covers over 285,000 sports events annually. So this was a SPAC back in 2021, and since then SPACs have been beat up because um, there's no more helicopter money. Nevertheless, Woods, much like what she sees here, she bought over roughly 385,000 shares in Q1 for her ARC Next Generation Internet ETF. Total holdings includes roughly over 5.1 million shares worth 20 million. So let's look at Genius. GENI. GENI. Alright, so we'll go to the monthly chart. It is holding an uptrend line, which is bullish. We get a breakout above 6. It becomes an interesting stock. Just want to see what it looks like on the weekly chart. Yeah, need to see this breakout. But this breakout is going to come with sellers waiting between 650 and 7. But not interested. Alright, let's go to our next stock pick. This is Joby Aeration. Joby is a proponent of electrical aerial ride sharing. Okay, this is interesting. So this could be a disruptor. What does this mean? The aviation company with a difference in developing an electric vehicle takeoff and landing aircraft. EVTOL. In layman's terms, air taxi service. This past February, the company said it had completed stage 2 of 5 for certification by the FAA, and completing stage 2 of 5 brings the company closer to commercial passenger service by 2025. Woods is getting ready. She purchased over 500,000 shares in Q1 for the autonomous tech and robotics ETF and space exploration innovation ETF. Her holdings total now roughly 450,000 shares in the ARQ and 1.2 million in the ARC-X. Combined, the shares are worth 6.6 million. So this is one that I'm interested in, and we'll keep a close eye on it. But this kind of reminds me of Virgin Orbit, of that. I forgot the name. That just went out of business. Again, because no helicopter money. I think it was Virgin Orbit. Alright, so if we go to JO, this is another beaten up stock. Right, so in February 2021, when we had helicopter money, price went up as high as 17. It's down to $4. Could be interesting. Could just buy some shares and just look the other way for 10 years. Let's go to the weekly chart. So for me, I would need to see a breakout out of this white box above $5 before considering purchasing. Otherwise, it might continue to just either be sideways or make lower lows. Who knows? But it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of like buying Bitcoin. At the lows, um, it's kind of like a risk to reward type situation. You get in early and you benefit, or you wait conservatively. You see price moving higher, you get in, but you don't reap the same rewards as the people that took the early risk. So depends on your risk tolerance, financial objectives, and time horizon. But this is one I'll keep on my radar. You might want to do the same. Um, I like this one over the Genius stock, as to me this is more of a disruptor. However, the Genius stock could be bring in more revenue over time, being that the states are legalizing betting. More and more states are. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.